Hi friends, how are you today? Do you know I cooked this for my dinner yesterday? Actually, it was absolutely delicious. So, I just thought to share with you. Then, let's see how I prepared this. I took here like 350 grams of prawns. Then I removed all the heads and washed thoroughly. See, I didn't remove the shells here. So if you want, you can remove the shell also. I just removed only the heads. Then I added some salt, vinegar and black pepper and kept aside for a couple of minutes for marinating. Now it's marinated like 15 minutes. When the pan is heated, I put some coconut oil and I took here chopped onion, green chili, garlic, ginger and curry leaves. When the oil is heated, I put them into the pan and mix well. Then I added here some salt also. Keep remember that you added some salt for marinate the prawns also. And I added here chili flakes. Now mix them and cook until the onion is tender. At this moment I feel a nice aroma. Now it's time to add the marinated prawns. Now mix all together. Mix until change the color of all the prawns. You can see here nicely changing the color of all the prawns. Guys, please like my video and share with your friends. Now we will add tomato. Then mix it. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a comment and cover with a lid and let it cook like 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see how it is now. Yeah, it looks perfect. See, juicy and nice aroma. So this is how it came out. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Then see you in the next video. Keep safe. Bye bye.